Hi, I'm Sweet Love Star. Today I'm gonna bake it monkey bread. At night before the day, I roast besan and making starter for bread. Next day, I start making bread dough. Bread dough is hard, so I usually, when I get tired, just cover the dough and put them in a warm place about 5 minutes. Then restart to knead the dough again. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. It's very easy to knead the bread dough. Just 5 minutes rest, but it seemed very smooth and soft, right? So after primary fermentation, about 1 hour, make flat by hand and cut small pieces and make them into small ball size. So put them some water and make the ball covered by cinnamon sugar very well and set in a pan and warm in a place. This is the second fermentation. Walnut and soft raisin sprinkle over them. This raisin I put in a hot water about 1 hour and drain. Butter and molasses put in a microwave. After melted, mix well with alternative sweetener. Then this mixture pour over the bread dough. Bake in a preheat oven 350 Fahrenheit about 40 minutes. If I can use brown sugar, it's easy to get this caramel taste, but I use only alternative sweetener, so I add molasses for the taste. I think it's success, so please try this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you!